Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Assess Online Classes. Students, we have read and solved all questions of exercise B and C of chapter 10 Full Moon in our Fire English Literature notebook in our last video. And since today we are going to read chapter 11 Croak and chapter 12 The Apple Tree. And since today's our topics are, our first number topic is word meaning, second number topic is true false of chapter 11 Croak, and since our third number topic is hard words, and fourth number topic is word meaning of chapter 12 The Apple Tree. Okay, so all students please press partial attention in class and listen to my words clearly, because firstly we are going to read and note down 10 word meaning of the chapter 11 Croak in our Fire English Literature notebook. Let's see word meaning of this chapter 11 Croak. Students, of first number word is hoping. The meaning of hoping is jumping. Second number word is safari. The meaning of safari is a trip to see animals. Third number word is flocked, and the meaning of flocked is to go or gather together somewhere in large numbers. Fourth number word is scribbled. The meaning of scribbled is written in. Understand your 5 number word is events. The meaning of events is anything that happens. And 6 number word is suspect, and the meaning of suspect is to think that someone is guilty of doing something. Understand your 7 number word is marsh. The meaning of marsh is a low wet area with grasses and other plants. 8 number word is blushes. The meaning of blushes is becomes red in the face. Understand your 9 number word is inspirational, and the meaning of inspirational is causing people to want to do or create something. Students, your last 10 number word is tweet, and the meaning of tweet is short high sounds. Okay, so students, we have read and note down these 10 word meaning of this chapter 11 Croak in our Fire English Literature notebook. And students, I hope you must have understood all these word meaning of this chapter 11. You have no problem in any word meaning of this chapter 11. Okay, so students, now we are going to read and solve exercise of this chapter 11 in our Fire English Literature notebook. So let's see exercise of this chapter 11 Croak. Students, exercise is mark these sentences as true T or false F. Students, so first number sentence of this exercise is squirrels found the newspaper. So students, so first number sentence, it's a false sentence. So students, write down F in this first number blank. Students, so second number sentence of this exercise is the owl told everyone about the newspaper. So students, your second number sentence, it's a true sentence. So students, write down T in this second number blank. Students, your third number sentence is the peacock wanted to be the chief of the newspaper. So students, your third number sentence, it's a true sentence. So students, write down T in this third number blank. And students, your last 4 number sentence of this exercise is the owl became the chief of the newspaper. So students, your last 4 number sentence, it's a false sentence. So students, write down F in this 4 number blank. Okay, so students, match your answer. First number sentence, it's a false sentence. Second number sentence, it's a true sentence. Third number sentence, it's also a true sentence. And last 4 number sentence, it's a false sentence. F T T F. Okay, so students, we have read and solved exercise of this chapter 11 Croak in our Fire English Literature notebook, and I hope you must have understood all these sentences of this exercise. You have no any problem in any sentence of this exercise of chapter 11. Okay, so students, now we are going to read and note down hard words of the chapter 12 The Apple Tree in our Fire English Literature notebook. So students, let's see hard words of the chapter 12 The Apple Tree. Students, so first number hard words of this chapter 12 The Apple Tree is garden, Garde in garden. Second is grasshoppers, Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers. Third is squirrels, Squirrels. Squirrels. Fourth is sparrows, Sparrows. Sparrows. Fifth is insects, Insects. Insects. Sixth is animals, Animals. Animals. Seven is bagged, Beged. Bagged. 8 is sparrows, Sparrows. Sparrows. 9 is sticking, Sticking. Sticking. And 10 is raised, Raised. Raised. 11 is something, Something. Something. 12 is hollow, Hollow. And 13 is beehive, Beehive. Beehive. And 14 is shouted, Shouted. Shouted. And last 15 number hard word is useless, Useless. Useless. Okay, so students, write down these 15 hard words of the chapter 12 The Apple Tree 2 times in your Fire English Literature notebook. Okay, let's see students, word meaning of the chapter 12 The Apple Tree, which is our last topic in our today's class. Students, your first number word of this chapter 12 The Apple Tree is struck, 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 and the meaning of struck is to hit with a lot of force. And students, your second number word is chop, and the meaning of chop is to cut with a sharp tool. And students, your third number word is raised, and the meaning of raised is lifted. And students, your 4 number word is hollow, and the meaning of hollow is having a hole or an empty space inside. And students, your last 5 number word is beehive, and the meaning of beehive is home of bees. Okay, so students, we have read and note down these word meaning of this chapter 12 The Apple Tree in our Fire English Literature notebook. And students, I hope you must have understood all these word meaning of this chapter 12 The Apple Tree, and you have no any problem in any word meaning of this chapter 12. Okay, So student, we have completed our all topics in our today's class. We have read and note down word meaning and true false of the chapter 11 croak, and we have also read and note down hard words and word meaning of chapter 12 the apple tree in our Fire English literature notebook. Okay, so students, today's your classwork is that कि आपका क्लासवर्क है कि आपको इन वर्कशीट की फ़ोटोकॉपी करानी है और चैप्टर 11 की वर्ड मीनिंग एंड ट्रू फॉल्स आपको अपनी रफ नोटबुक पे राइट डाउन करना है विथ योर बेस्ट हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रफ नोटबुक. हाँ, रफ नोटबुक की बात करी हूँ. रफ नोटबुक पे राइट डाउन करना है चैप्टर 11 की वर्ड मीनिंग और ट्रू फॉल्स. ओके, इट्स योर टूडेज क्लासवर्क. आपका क्लासवर्क है. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, योर होमवर्क इज दैट आपका होमवर्क है लर्न वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर 11 क्रोक फ्रॉम योर वर्कशीट. ओके, इट्स योर टूडेज होमवर्क. आपका होमवर्क है कि आपको चैप्टर 11 की वर्ड मीनिंग लर्न करनी है अपनी वर्कशीट से. ये आपका होमवर्क है. ओके, सो ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्टली कंप्लीट योर क्लास वर्क. सबसे पहले अपना क्लास वर्क कंप्लीट करिए. ये दोनों वर्कशीट की फ़ोटोकॉपी कराइए और वर्ड मीनिंग और ट्रू फॉल्स अपनी रफ नोटबुक पे राइट डाउन करिए एंड सेंड मी योर वर्क हियर. थैंक यू.